Welcome back. You're watching Dr. NDTV and we're discussing myths about sex. And one of the myths, I think we got an SMS as well, does the length of the penis make a difference in satisfying a woman? Dr. Bhagat.
Not true. Not true. Because the length of an erect penis in most men is almost the same. And the other important thing to remember is that the sensitive part of the female's vagina is only the first 3 centimeters. So it doesn't really matter. The length of the penis doesn't really matter.
Dr. Bhosle, what do you think?
Yeah, I agree with Dr. Bhagat that only the outer 1/3 of female vagina is sensitive to sexual stimulation. So if a man's penis is on erection is even 2 inches in length, he should be able to satisfy his wife. But many men also carry the anxiety that, okay, once she experiences, probably she will be satisfied. But what if she sees my penis small, will she be put off? To such men, I would like to invariably tell them that women are invariably not very much interested in looking at man's anatomy. You may even notice when you kiss your partner, she closes her eyes. And 90% women, while having intercourse, even if it is dark outside, prefer to close their eyes. So they are not interested in looking at the size of your penis. And once they have satisfied themselves in intercourse, even with a penis which is as much as 2 or 3 inches long on erection, they are not going to be bothered about the size of the penis. So size of the penis does not determine the sexual pleasure in women.
But Dr. Bhosle, why is it that I can't understand that there's so many advertisements on the mail, on email, for lengthening the penis and enlarging the penis? There must be something to it. Is there scientific evidence that women are not satisfied, are satisfied by long and short penises?
Yeah, on the contrary, there was an experiment performed in US where a beautiful professional prostitute was invited for an experiment who was not carrying any sexually transmitted diseases. Her eyes were kept closed and 3 men were told to perform intercourse with her. One man had his penis on erection only 2 inches in length. Another man had his penis 4 inches in length on erection. And the third man had his penis 6 inches in length on erection. She did not know who is performing intercourse with her. After all the 3 men performed intercourse with her, her eyes were opened and she was asked by a team of doctors to find out to tell them what the size of the 3 men. She could not tell the size. Even a professional prostitute who was experienced could not make out what was the size of the 3 men and their length of their penis, even though the difference was 2 inches, 4 inches and 6 inches. So the satisfaction of woman does not depend on the size of the penis, and very often she can't even make out what is the size of the penis unless she sees.